We're in Moline, Illinois. This used to be an office building with Montgomery elevators here. Check this out. This one doesn't work. This one got modded. See, we'll call for up to. I want to see what the green arrow looks like. Cool. Big tall cab. Of course, former Montgomery. Up to 9. Mod by Schumacher. Oh wow, these are fast. Wow, okay. Spooky basement out here. No lantern out here. All right, up to 9 again. This thing goes. These would have been cool as hell original. I'm sure of it. Floor 9, it says. Oh, wow. Look at this. That one. Very weird.